risk-adjusted returns. We're always conditioned to talk about risk-adjusted returns. You know, for the regular trader, they always talk about how much they make. Then you take it another step further, and you know, maybe some CFAs and you know, students of trading and finance talk about risk-adjusted returns. And now you take that to the next level, Jerry, and you say the three most deceptive, disingenuous words in all of investing. And you say it's really about maximizing wealth over time. Tell us about these disingenuous words.
Oh my, that's like one of the greatest questions ever. You really
Thank you
set
so
me up.
much. I love
And,
it.
I'm pretending that I'm embarrassed by this, but I'm really not. I'm hiding my face, I'm laughing. Doesn't everybody know I was kind of joking? But honestly, I can't really say that it's not my quote. I quoted it from that article that I posted as well. But okay, it's really, I think, to some degree specific to trend following, or I only know trend following, so I can only comment on it.
Mm-hmm.
And I think it is definitely perfect statement as it relates to trend following. And that is, I tricked you earlier because I said it's all about protecting capital. I mean, that's Turtle 101, Turtle's 1983, protect that capital. So you can just imagine how many hours we heard that and how often we heard that. Nothing's more important. I know one time Rich asked us a question and he said, here's the question. I want a one sentence answer. And I did not understand the question, but the two choices were protect capital and something else. And so I knew the answer was protect capital. Mm-hmm. I just didn't even understand the question. So, okay, so what is capital? Capital to me is the money that you give me. And I'm even going to throw in there the profits and losses that the money that I've made so far. What capital isn't is all of the open trade profits that I'm allowing to run. So we have these trades that are open, make massive profits right now in OJ, sugar, and cocoa. And so that's not capital. That is potential something. It's going to be some trade that we're going to get out of soon, and we're going to know how much we made. So in order for me to let those run and follow the system and choose a system that's going to make the most amount of money for us, the computer says, let those profits run. So if you force me to protect those open profits, then I'm going to get out too quickly, right? That's how we started this whole conversation. You don't get out of your profits too quickly. Mm-hmm. Well, then you can't hold me to that and judge me from, it was at this level, now it's sold off. Well, our system says stay in it. We're not ready to get out yet. But look how much money we've given back. I know. But if we apply this rule for all of the trades, for all time, we'll make more money. So the problem with Sharpe and risk-adjusted returns is they're going to penalize people who let profits run. You see? And so you have a tendency to, we're in this world where people don't understand what we do. We want to raise money. We kind of believe it ourselves that volatility equals risk. So let's have another rule that gets out of these trades quicker if the volatility picks up. And I'm like, no. You're too many rules, too many parameters. You're just playing a game with Sharpe. It has nothing to do with reality or protecting capital. It's certainly not letting profits run, which computer loves. It loves to create pain for you and then say to you, yeah, you're going to get all this pain of volatility and giving back some of your open profit, but you're going to make more money. And I'm like, sign me up. I'll take that. Most people don't want to take it. They want to take the trend following, massage it with rules that allow you to get out of the profits quicker than you should, to smooth things out more, which is going to be rewarded by Sharpe in this term risk adjusted. So that's a long-winded way and kind of a complex way of saying, I am protecting capital. Classic trend following protects capital, but we redefined it as the money that you put into the fund and all the realized profits and losses. Now, can we please treat the winning trades different, maximize their profit? We care about them so much. to handle them perfectly in the optimal way that they should be handled. And the way that they should be handled is loose pants, loose parameters, give them an opportunity to even go further than they've already gone. You know, it was not the case historically. We would not be doing it. And let's close our eyes a bit to open trade volatility. It's not really risk. Our risk was that stop loss in taking that small loss, which these trades are not subject to that. They're not going to have a small loss. They're going to just be a big, huge profit. It just depends upon how big that profit's going to be.